Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my arm workout routine, which consists of 15 exercises, 30 seconds each, and we'll take a 10-second break after 2 sets. So let's begin with a short warm-up. Begin with the shoulder stretch. Now lift your right hand in thumbs down position and place your left hand behind the right elbow and just stretch it to the left side. Do the same on the other side. Make sure you're breathing while doing this. Next I'm going to do some shoulder rotations. I'm just doing 5 to 10 counts of each. First I'm going to do back shoulder rotation and then in the front side. Next we're going to do some tricep stretching. You just have to lift your hand, fold your hand in your elbow and just pull your elbow to the opposite side. Just going to do some around the world. Just lift your hands up and gently place them down with a lot of control. Make sure that you're breathing throughout all the warm-up exercises. The warm-up will make sure that your arms are not very sore the next day. So a quick warm-up is very good before doing the exercises. Here I'm just stretching my upper body. So let's begin with the actual exercises, friends. Just raise your arms up at the shoulder level. The first one is called fist open and close. So as you can see, I have just raised my arms at shoulder level and I'm going to open and close my fist for 30 seconds. Make sure you do it with a lot of control. Make sure you're breathing correctly while doing the exercises. And try to maintain your hands at the shoulder level. Your hands shouldn't go down at all. Get ready for the next one, guys. We're not taking a break here. Just maintaining your arms at shoulder level. We're going to do the second exercise, which is called palm up and down. So what you need to do is that if your right palm is facing downwards, your left palm will face upwards and vice versa. This looks a bit tricky, but it's absolutely not. Once you start doing it, it's pretty simple, guys. Again, I'm going to make sure that my arms remain at my shoulder level. They're not drooping down, and I make sure that I'm breathing correctly throughout the exercises. It's time for a 10-second break. The 10-second break is almost over now. So for the next one, you have to raise your arms at your shoulder level, palms facing forward, and we're just going to pulse forward. Now make sure that you're engaging your shoulder while doing this. So you should feel most of the pressure at your shoulder while doing this one. I'm making sure that my arms are straight at the shoulder level. They are not drooping down at all. Again, make sure that you breathe. Now, maintaining the arms at the shoulder level, we are just going to pulse backwards. By this time, your arms should burn. So keep going, guys. Maintain the arms at the shoulder level. It's time for our 10-second break. So get ready for the next one, guys. The next one is called reach out. For this one, you need to raise your arms at your shoulder level in front of you and imagine there's something in front of you and you're trying to touch it. So first you'll reach out with your right hand and then you'll reach out with your left hand. Get ready for the next one, friends. Maintaining the arms at the same positions, we are going to cross our arms and repeat this until the set is complete. Again, make sure that you're engaging your muscles correctly. Make sure that your back is straight, you're breathing slowly and correctly, and make sure that your abs are engaged throughout all of these arm exercises. Well done, guys. It's time for a 10-second break now. Okay, time for the next one, friends. The next one is called arm circles. So you have to raise your arms again at shoulder level horizontally, and then we're just going to create small circles with our arms. The first 30 seconds we're going to do this in a clockwise position, and then we'll do it in the anti-clockwise position for the next 30 seconds. Make sure that your arms remain at your shoulder level, they do not droop down. Okay, get ready to change the position now. Now we'll go in the anti-clockwise circles. Time for a 10-second rest, guys. Okay, get ready for the next one, friends. The next one is called a side shoulder touch. So again, raising your arms at shoulder level horizontally, placing your palms facing upwards. We're just going to lift our arms and touch our shoulder, and then we're going to open our arms back again. Try to do this slowly with control, and make sure that your muscles are engaged and you're not using momentum. Okay, time to change, guys. The next one is just punching. So you have to bring your arm up in a 45-degree angle, place them just below your jawline, and imagine that you're punching somebody in front of you. So you need to just raise your arm and punch. You can put force in your punches, but make sure that you're not overextending your shoulder muscles. Time for our break. Okay, get ready for the next one, friends. Again, we're going to raise our arm at our shoulder level horizontally, placing the palms facing upwards, and we are going to pulse upwards. Make sure that you're doing this with a lot of control. You're engaging all the muscles. You should feel it in your shoulders, and your arms shouldn't droop down. Now change the position with your palms facing downwards, and we are going to pulse downwards. Again, I'm making sure that my core is engaged, I'm breathing correctly, and my back is straight, and all the muscles of my arms and shoulders are engaged. Okay, time for our 10-second rest. Your arms must be burning by now, but keep going, guys. Just 3 more exercises to go. Okay, friends, time for the next one. So the next one is called rotator cuff exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to bend your arms at 45 degrees, and then you're going to take your arms down as if you're going to give a high five to somebody, and then you're going to lift your arms back up again, making sure that you're doing it with a lot of control and making sure that you're not holding your breath. Okay, get ready for the next one, guys. This one is called peekaboo. So you hold your arms up at 45 degrees, and then you bring your elbows closer together, and then you open them back up as if you're just opening a window. Now making sure that your elbows are not drooping down. Good job, friends. We only got one more exercise to go. Time for our 10-second break. And the last one is called around the world. Basically, you're just lifting your arms up and then you're bringing them down. This is a very simple move, but it really works your shoulders and your arms. We're going to do this particular exercise for 1 whole minute. So this is our last exercise, friends. Your arms are probably getting sore by now, but keep going, guys. This is the last one. 30 more seconds to go. Make sure that your back is straight. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Last 15 seconds, friends. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, friends. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, friends. Take care.